Hey, hello guys. Welcome your faces to the tag tutorial on front-end web development course. Myself Sanjay from Frozen Lake. Today we are going to learn about the HTML tag used for formatting the HTML document. First of all, let's go through the content of this tutorial. So firstly, we will go through about the bold tag or the B tag. Then we will go through the strong tag, then the italic tag, the empathize tag, the mod tag, delete tag, inserted tag, and the subscript tag, and the superscript tag. So first, let's go through the bold tag. I just made a file called index.html and made these things. So let's see what's here. So welcome you all here. So now the bold tag. It is represented by the letter B. It has a both opening tag as well as the closing tag. So we just have to type B and the closing tag also. Consider inside a paragraph tag, you have to mark something as important, which is to be in bolder structure. So inside a paragraph tag, you have something like lorem. Okay. So over here, you can see this, right? So over here, you have to mark something very importantly. So like consider landing. That's the important thing. Okay. So if you type landing over here, it's in bolder instead, right? You can see something different from all these letters, right? So it's a purpose of this bold tag. So next coming to the strong tag. The strong tag is similar to the bold tag, okay? So like we have to type the full strong here, okay? It's the syntax. And I just saved it. So you can't even see a change over here because this strong tag is similar to the bold tag. If you want, let me show you it's the same letter. So let's save it. So see, both the things are same. So next coming to the italic tag. So we use it by using the letter I for italic. Okay, if you want to type something like today is Wednesday, and see it's in italic style. So if you have to use it in between the paragraph, you can. So what the day is today? So it's a question, right? So over here the answer is provided. So which is the italic tag. So see what day is today? Then answer we write in the paragraph tag. And today is Wednesday. We written in the italic tag. Written in the italic tag. So this today is Wednesday. It is in italic inside. So similar to italic, there's another tag called empathize tag, which is denoted by em. So it's mostly similar. You can't even notice the difference over here. See? Everything is similar. Like the strong tag as well as the bold tag do, this empathize and the italic tag do. Then let's go through the mock tag. So most of you will be writing or reading something else. So if you are reading a big paragraph by paragraph, if there's some marking over there, like highlighting, so you will be getting attracted towards it, right? So for that purpose, a tag is used, which is called a mock tag. So mock. So M-A-O-K. This tag is being used. So here, Wednesday is just marked. The default color is yellow. So if you have to do it within a text or paragraph tag, you can. You should type today is, and you can see the output, right? So if you have to change the color, you have to use the style attribute, which I taught you in the previous tutorial. You just have to type the style and background, and you have to give the color like black, and the color of text to be white. So saving, and you just can see it, right? So it's a property called mark. So next, coming to the delete tag. So if you are writing something and you just made a mistake and you can't erase it, you will just cut it, right? Or you will just strike to it. So this is what the delete tag will do. So consider a paragraph with the lower 20 characters, 20. So I just made this by mistake. So I just have to cut it, and oh, it has a special tag for that too. So just I'm explaining you. So we just mark all over this and type it between the del tag del, okay, which stands for delete. So I am saving it. This del tag strikes all the letters between. So this is the property of this del tag. Next, coming to the insert tag. So this insert tag is used to underline a text which represents this text is being inherited from some other website. Inheritance means nothing, but it's like taking data from other website. Okay, so consider lorem of 10, lorem of 10, and if you have to make, if you think that this value belongs to some other website, but just use this ins. Ins stands for insert. Okay, and just paste the value, and now you can see it's been underlined. So this is the property of the ins tag, which is actually insert. So next, it's a most interesting one, like the superscript and the subscript. If you want to do some mathematical operation, you will just do that x square plus y square and so on, right? If you want to write some chemical equation, you will write like H2O and CO2, H2SO or something like that. So for chemical equation, you will be writing below, and for mathematical operation, you will be writing above, which is called superscript, and for chemical equation we will call it subscript. Okay, so this is the property we are going to use now. So consider a p tag. So I just have to write H2O, and if I write H2O here, so see all the letters are in same size and you can't recognize it, so you couldn't see that it's H2O. It may be something else. So we just have to make this to a smaller one and have to place it below. So for that purpose, there's a tag called sub, which defines a subscript. And if you type 2 and you save, see this 2 came to the bottom. So now you can see it and say it's H2O, it's water. Okay, so it's a property of the subscript. So next, the superscript. So consider you have to write x square plus y square equal to something is that, okay? Just save it. So see now, so it is not in a proper order, right? We have to bring those two to the upper side and have to make it small. So for that we just have to use the the superscript tag, which is nothing but a SUP tag. SUP, and we just have to close it. See now it's in proper condition. So if you have to make a space over here, you just can make it here if you need. So now it's properly aligned, right? So now it's fine, right? So these are the property we have discussed today. That's all guys for today's video. Do subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Give a thumbs up and comment your feedback or a doubt in the comment section. If you have any queries regarding our video, do DM us on Instagram. Bye guys.